boxing.
Oh, let's hit it. Oh my God.
Lots of boxes today.
Look at this. Good Lord, this is going to be a bloodbath here.
3-box special.
Okay. Let it ride. Let it ride. Huh.
Stuff.
The usual.
Paper, not too much.
Huh.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We got a bunch of these new.
Hoo, 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 hoo. Check that out. They're die cast too, aren't they?
Yeah.
Metal cars. Wow.
It's heavy.
And
this is pretty sweet.
oh wow, the Batman Who Laughs. Yes, sweet. Those gallery, man, they're inexpensive. They're really well done, right?
Yeah, almost like statues.
Yeah.
Oh, this is heavy, man.
What
This
the
is
heck?
a box of
Lost kitties. Oh my God.
Was that my kitty?
Should we call the SPCA?
A quick look, anyways.
Maybe we should get a cat psychic to.
There's a cat place across the street now.
Oh yeah,
Cat
yes.
Cafe.
Cat Cafe. I could see that being a good laugh, right? Okay, what is this? What is it?
Yeah.
Lost kittens.
Okay, I can't really open it, so.
Okay, there we go. This is good enough here. Okay.
We'll take pictures of this one.
Okay. Lost kitties.
Found it.
Okay.
And one of those cool vintage
yeah.
calendars.
They are bloody cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Sweet. Sweet indeed.
And not to be outdone, we got a Batman one.
Oh yeah. Oh, Batman. Oh yeah, look at those classic ones.
Yeah, comics out.
Oh, gotta love them.
Just a few packs of.
Oh yes, okay, boy.
Boards.
For you folks in the comic art class in the jam.
Yeah, gotta have one.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah, can't say we're
Wonder Woman.
here or nothing.
No, we're not.
And that's a box of Venom Legends. We got 2 more boxes, so I'm gonna open one.
Okay.
Because I can't get this one out right now.
Yeah, that one looks like it's jammed in there, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay, let's have a look at this. What's in this animal here?
A lot of cars in this week.
Ooh. Yeah. Here, I'll kick some of this in. Okay. Here, I'll kick some of this.
Okay, now we get the Justice League Batmobile.
Wow.
The Metals series.
Oh yeah, that is nice.
From Dark Souls, we got Ferrum Knight.
Okay. Cool.
Get another Ferrum Knight.
Okay.
And these are some Mega Man blind boxes with.
Wow.
I mean, I don't know.
Very unknown. Very mysterious.
This is a
Minecraft?
Nano M-Figs.
Oh.
24 count.
Oh, I guess they're, I guess they must be little things.
That's in Minecrafty looking.
Yeah.
And we got a few of these. This is
Okay.
Notorious, the Abyss Locker.
Okay. Okay. Dive in there.
And 2 more.
2 more of those, okay. Let's toss them somewhere. Yeah. Oh, looks good there.
And here's the Venom I was telling you about.
Hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, why not? Venom seems kind of hot these days with his comic and his movie.
There's Venom himself.
Oh yeah, oh Eddie Brock.
Venom in there. Yeah, Carnage.
Carnage, of course.
Another Carnage. I like the white on top.
Yeah.
And that's
Oh
Poison.
yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
And, one of my favorites, Spider-Ham.
Oh my God! Oh, he is so cool.
Oh, we have an exchangeable head.
I love that when it first came out. That
And Scream.
Scream. Okay, I didn't know about that one.
And
Last but not least.
Typhoon Mary, which has nothing to do with Venom.
Oh yeah. Well, okay. Okay.
Okay.
We'll have to take that then.
And
Good Lord, look in there. Wow. What the heck are these things?
this is pretty much the end of this box.
Okay.
These are all the same. We got 8 of them.
Ghostbusters.
So people like Ghostbusters. Like, you know, I like Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
Because we got the Ecto-1.
Oh see. Great for a holiday gift.
Ooh, that's nice. Same with the medals on Batman.
Holy gee! Now this is a metal one, folks. This isn't plastic, right?
They're not too expensive.
Wow.
$30.
They're nice. Jeez. Come on, folks. You know what to get for Christmas now. And remember that, folks. We're the best place for Christmas shopping because you don't have to deal with the malls.
Yeah. In this box.
Especially those malls with rats around them and that, right? So, oh, dive in. Look at, oh yeah, okay. But man, though, I love that Iron Man Chevy Camaro. That is cool.
Yeah, it's a Walking Dead open close sign.
Oh, excellent. Okay. Okay.
Use that for the shop.
Ooh.
More of our Batman Lab.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Changed.
That is pretty cool.
Same guy.
Those are great, man. Like I say, the gallery ones.
Toki Doki.
Whoa. That is cool.
Hey.
What's that there? Oh yeah.
Mystery Science 3000 mug.
Oh, okay. For you Mystery Science Theater folks. Why not?
And, oh, those Toki Dokis.
Oh yeah.
Different color.
They're pretty cool, actually. Away we go.
More Batmobiles. These would be. It's from Batman Forever.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people asking for these for a while. Who doesn't like Keaton Batman?
Oh no.
Or not Batman Forever?
Is that that's one
that
of
was George Clooney.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh.
Oh well.
Look better. I guess he just burned the George Clooney figure, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all the same.
Nice, yeah.
And this would be the Batmobile from the Dark Knight, the 2008 movie.
Oh, the tumbler.
Yeah.
Actually, after the 66 one and then the first Keaton Batmobile, the tumbler is probably my
Pretty cool.
my favorite. Yeah.
Kicks ass.
I mean, yeah. Now if that's not a Batmobile, I don't know what is, right?
Yeah, with Christian Bale go with it.
Oh yeah. Definitely one of the better Batman.
And
Ooh, more Gundam.
have a Gundam in.
Happy Gundams.
The same guy.
Well, why not?
And all that's left is
Anything deep down
more
is.
stuff here.
Oh yeah,
Pusheen,
Pusheen. Cool. Pusheen, sorry, yeah. They are really cool.
Machine things.
Okay, people, come on down and
Looks
get.
like a little witch with a.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
Halloween.
Now come on, folks, you gotta have those. They are pretty darn cool.
Last but not least,
Oh.
I know someone like this.
I think we both know who exactly who. Yes.
Conway.
Oh yeah.
Why is something so small so expensive? You'd be surprised how much it's cost. And that'll do it.
Okay, well,
Alright.
now that was some reveal there, man.
A lot of stuff.
Okay, well, I guess I'll see you for Pick of the Week in an hour or so.
Alright.
Okay, see ya.